Assalamualaikum. I am Nur Camelia binti Samsul Akmar. So let's go through question number 1. This question relates to chapter 3, the pricing of bond, which is touched on straight bond. The type of straight bond in this question is purchase price, not on interest payment. It can be identified when the question mentioned about straight bond right here and maturity period and also coupon rate. So from this question, I have I have extract a few informations, which is K. K represent as yield. So K is 0.028 and we got 9.33. So how we want to find N, which is the number of period from previous CP until maturity date. So first of all, you need to minus a year of maturity date with previous CP. So 2032 minus by 2022 minus by 1 because it's not fully 10 years. And then for balance for months, from March to July, we have 4 months. So 4, we need to divide by 12, so we got 0.33. So 9 plus 0.33, we got 9.33. So N is 9.33. M, we got 4. Par value, we have 2000. CR, coupon rate. From the question, it states that CR is 0.048. So CP, how to get CP? So CP formula is CR divided by M multiplied by par. So we got 24. And then negative NM is equal to negative 37.32. K per M is equal to 0.007. A per C is equal to 0.6654. So how to get A? So A is the period from purchase date until previous CP, and it must be in day, and in year, A in day. So calculate, so we got 179, and C is C must be in day, and the period is from previous CP until next CP. Alright, so okay, from this information, how we want to solve the question. So first, follow the step in calculating purchase bond. So the first step, we must to calculate prime price. So this is the formula. Second, we need to calculate purchase price, which is PP prime. And then we need to calculate accurate interest, and lastly book value. So after you get accurate interest and book value, you can make, and then for the last step, you need to make investment schedule like this. So how to find the interest due for BV1? Interest due for BV1 is equal to BV book value times K per M times C minus A divided by C. And then for interest due for BV2, you need to use BV2 value times by K per M. And for interest received, for IR1, you need to CP coupon payment minus by accrued interest. And for IR2 until the rest, IR is equal to CP. Alright, so that's all for question number 1. Next, let's go through question 5. So question 5 here, so for question 5, this question relate to chapter 3, the pricing of bond, which is touch on callable bond. The type of callable bond in this question is deferred bond. Deferred bond. It can be identified when the question mentioned about deferment period right here, 12-year deferment, or in Malay we call tempoh penangguhan. And so from this question, I have abstract information, which is PAR is equal to 2000, CR coupon rate is equal to 0.08, CP we got 220, M we got 4, K we got 0.1, negative NC. So how we get NC? NC is what? NC is number of year held. NC is equal to 12 uh, minus by purchase date minus by purchase date with issued date. So we got 5 here. And then for C, and then after we got NC, we need to multiply by M. So we got negative 20. Negative NCM here is equal to negative 20. K per M is equal to 0.025. Call premium, we got 0.12. Interest increase, that state in this question is 0.02. PC, PC per, um, call purchase is equal to par plus year interest. As mentioned in question, we had call premium. So par is 1000 plus by 1000 multiplied by 0.12, we got 1120. And for interest increase, PC3, we need to par from PC, the new PC we have calculate, which is 1120. We need to add by 1120 multiplied by 0.02. So we got 1142.4. So for A here, so for A we get 76, is same calculation as question number 1. And for C we got, so it's equal to 166. And from this information, we need to solve the